Imagine the journey of something as simple and as overlooked as an empty soda can. Once a vessel of refreshment, now cast aside, its fate seems sealed, lost among the billions of everyday discards. But hidden in the intricate dance of industry and ingenuity, that very can embarks on an extraordinary transformation, emerging as the heart of kitchens and the centerpiece of morning rituals around the world. The tea kettle. The story begins in vast scrapyards where mountains of discarded aluminum glint in the sun, fragments of cans, trays, and forgotten gadgets. Here, the process of rebirth is as meticulous as it is mesmerizing. Workers and machines together sift through the rubble, searching for the strongest, purest pieces. It's a process of discernment, seeking out the right kind of aluminum, untouched by corrosive elements, suitable for a second life. Each piece is handled with care, as if an unseen potential hums beneath its battered surface. Once sorted, the fragments are loaded into massive furnaces. The heat is intense, over 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit, turning the rigid scraps into a fluid, silvery lake. This molten aluminum glows, shimmering with possibility, as impurities are skimmed away, leaving behind a liquid metal as pure and bright as liquid moonlight. With practiced precision, this metal is poured into sand-cast molds, each one crafted to the exact specifications needed to birth a new kettle. The sand itself is shaped with intricate channels and patterns, capturing every curve and detail that will soon define the kettle's form. As the metal cools, a transformation takes place. The molds are carefully cracked open, revealing the rough, unfinished shells of future tea kettles. At this stage, the kettles are little more than silhouettes, lacking the shine and finesse that will soon make them the pride of any kitchen. But here is where artistry takes over. Skilled workers polish each kettle by hand, not just smoothing the surface, but erasing the scars of its previous life. This careful attention ensures that every kettle will gleam brilliantly, its surface reflecting both light and legacy. Next, the kettles are shaped with a technique that blends ancient tradition with cutting-edge technology. Metal spinning, an art passed down through generations, is now guided by the steady hand of robotics. The metal is coaxed into perfect symmetry, its curves and lines refined until it feels balanced and whole. The handle, often crafted from recycled plastics or naturally sustainable bamboo, is steamed and molded to fit comfortably in the hand. Every handle is attached by hand, adding a touch of individuality to each piece. But the journey is not complete without a test of function and spirit. Each spout is filled and boiled, not just to check for leaks, but to ensure the whistle is clear and musical, a sound that signals not just boiling water, but the promise of comfort and warmth. It's a moment of emotional design, where utility meets joy. Before leaving the workshop, each kettle is stamped with a unique batch code. This quiet marker is a tribute to its remarkable journey, from waste to wonder, from discarded can to beloved kitchen companion. In the end, what was once trash is now transformed into a vessel for cherished moments, a sustainable tea kettle with a story as rich as the tea it will someday brew. This is not simply manufacturing. It's a resurrection, a testament to human creativity, and a reminder that even the most ordinary objects can embark on extraordinary journeys. All it takes is a little vision, a little care, and a belief that yesterday's trash can become tomorrow's treasure.